robots see? Robots don't have eyes like we do. Instead, they use sensors to learn more about the area around them. A robot could be programmed to use a microphone to pick up noises, or light sensors that can measure how far away an object is by shining lasers on it, and then calculating how long it takes for the light to reflect back. The longer it takes, the further away the object. This can help a moving robot to not crash. What can a robot do that a human can't? Unlike humans, robots don't get distracted by things going on around them or have tired days because they didn't get enough sleep the night before. This means robots are able to do repetitive tasks quickly, without mistakes, and without getting bored. Robots can also be built to lift heavy objects too heavy for people to lift, or survive really hot or cold temperatures that humans just can't. A really cool example of this are the robots that scientists have sent all the way through space to work on Mars. The journey is just too far for humans to travel at the moment. And even if we got to Mars, there's not enough oxygen for us to breathe. So robots are a great alternative for us to explore Mars without us actually being there. Will robots start doing all the jobs? Robots can be very useful, as they can be programmed to do tasks that might be difficult, dangerous, or just plain boring for humans to do. As we create better and better robots, they'll be able to do more jobs and tasks instead of humans, which could make our lives easier, but this may just mean that they'll become different jobs that humans still need to do. We'll need people to program and design the robots, or fix them when they break. How is the Mars rover controlled? Mars rovers are wheeled robots that scientists have sent to explore the planet Mars. And so far, there have been 5 sent by NASA. The first robot was sent up in 1997 and was named Sojourner. It was remote controlled by scientists back on Earth, but the instructions were delayed by about 6 minutes because the signal had to travel all the way to Mars via satellites, a little bit like giant walkie-talkies. The most recent Mars rover is called Perseverance and only reached Mars in February this year. Maybe you saw it on the news. It's been programmed to travel around Mars without the direct control of humans back here on Earth. And it uses something called autonomous navigation. This means it can use the photos it takes to calculate a safe path to travel without having to wait for any instructions. Is my Alexa a robot? If you have an Alexa or another similar type of smart speaker at home, you'll know that you can ask it to do something and hopefully it will understand and complete the task. But we're unlikely to call it a robot because it can't move around or do any physical tasks. Instead, it's what we might call artificial intelligence. Artificial because it's been made by humans, and intelligence because they're programmed to be smart enough to understand our commands. However, in the future, maybe Alexa could be built into a robot to help us with cleaning the house, or maybe put into self-driving cars so it could do all the driving for us. The possibilities are endless.